Hello, today you are looking at the Artos Engineering CS-26A wire stripper / cutter. This unit has 208 volt AC operation, single phase, 10 amps, air up to 24 CFM at 80 PSI, good condition. Overall dimensions are 48 by 30 by 56. It does include extra dies and blades, keyed panel for the electrical, serial number is 37774, has a material counter as well. If you have any other questions on this item or any other items at Surplus Industrial Supply, please give us a call at 616-451-4100. Check us out online at www.surplusindustrialsupply.com. Thank you and have a great day.